In today's world, people expect to be connected anywhere at any time. Users can access their accounts and applications whenever they need to, using any device. This access is great for companies because people can get more work done and serve customers better. Of course, you know it's not just about letting employees, partners, and customers in, it's also about keeping the bad guys out. But with professional hackers constantly trying to break into your systems, that's not so simple, especially when passwords are so easy to steal, phish, or keylog. Once they're in, hackers can steal sensitive information about your company and your customers and disrupt the systems everyone relies on to get business done. It's your job to make sure this never happens. But how? By implementing multi-factor authentication, which turns out is such a good idea that many regulations now require it. But let's face it, carrying around tokens or installing software or certificates is a headache for both IT and users. You need a solution that's easy for IT to set up, provision, and manage for all your internal and external users and applications. Windows Azure MultiFactor Authentication is quick and easy to set up and works with the systems you already have in place. By leveraging a device your users already have at hand, their phone, Windows Azure MultiFactor Authentication makes security a snap. With this simple solution, users can choose the option that works best for them. Let's say you're a user. You can download and activate the MultiFactor app on your smartphone or tablet. Then when you sign in, a notification is pushed to the app. Just tap to launch and authenticate. The app can also work like a software token, generating a one-time passcode you enter during sign-in. Option 2, you can opt to receive an automated phone call to any landline or mobile phone. Just answer the call and press the pound sign on the phone. Or option 3, instead of a phone call, you can receive a passcode via text message. Simply reply to the text with a passcode or enter it on the sign-in screen. Easy and convenient, right? And because Windows Azure MultiFactor Authentication provides industry-leading security, you can be confident that only real users can get access. So, how do you get started? Well, if you're using Windows Azure Active Directory, you simply flip a switch, and the multi-factor authentication option is enabled for cloud apps like Office 365. For on-premises apps, the multi-factor authentication server works out of the box with remote access VPNs, web apps, and virtual desktops, and supports single sign-in to cloud applications. Plus, it works with your on-prem Active Directory, so you can manage users in one place and automate provisioning. There's also an SDK if you want to build the service into custom apps and directories. With Windows Azure Multi-Factor Authentication, your environment is protected from hackers. And because it's easy for both IT and users, it's a perfect win-win. Convenience, scale, security. That's Windows Azure Multi-Factor Authentication. Learn more at windowsazure.com.